So from ComplexCon in Vegas, I was able to get my hands on the Gel Venture 6 Shield ASICS HIDDEN.NY collaboration. This was probably the hottest booth that they had. First of all, it was actually pretty hidden. Like, it was in the middle of everything, but it had all white around it. It didn't have any ASICS or hidden branding on it. So it was kind of a cool booth. You go through it and there was like a prehistoric dig sort of setup there. And then you could see all the apparel and stuff and the sneakers that they dropped. I was so happy I threw them on feet immediately after I got them and wore them day 2 of ComplexCon. Comes with extra laces. I like the map vibes here on the box as well with different coordinates. Pretty cool there. On the outside of the box it says AHI, ASICS Hidden International Testing Kit. And then it does say Laboratory Specimen Gel Venture 6 Shield. And 2 pieces, date 2024. Kind of like the look of all that stuff, sort of Jurassic Park vibes. But this is the ASICS Gel Venture 6 Shield, which is the model. You can get that model directly from ASICS. If you guys want, I'll link them in the description. They do retail at $120 for the base model. This one costs $150. And the fit, I would say, is true to size. Maybe even if you're like a narrow foot, maybe even down half size. So I got a 9.5. If you go down a half size to a size 9 and you have a narrow foot, that'd probably be a better look. If I got a size 10 in these though, it would probably be too big for my feet, which is crazy because actually the only size that I had option to get originally was a size 10. And I was like, I told them I'm a sneakerhead. I wear size 8 to 12. And they kind of laughed at me. But I'm like, I'll double, triple sock if I have to make it work. But then luckily they actually found a 9.5 for me before I was leaving. Like after they brought me out the 10, they went back and searched again. And so much appreciated. But this model is pretty nice looking. Honestly, in hand, I love some of the details of this colorway specifically. The ASICS logo on the side has kind of like this crazy, like pearlescent sort of like a tealish vibe to that. I really like the look of that, first of all. You have little accents of green around the shoe as well from the little lace spot on the front, the ASICS logo or the hidden logo, depending on which shoe you're looking at, on the tongue, and then the pull tab with the hidden logo on the back as well. With the lighter color of the insoles, it kind of ties in the logos and the greens and stuff together. Then you have some kind of gray accents, some bone colored accents as well with that white mesh underlay. But overall, like, I think this model actually looks pretty nice. I think that it's hit or miss with some people. It's not like the most popular model out there, which is probably the reason why some people are like, I don't know how I feel about that one. But I like the rubberized like toe cap of the shoe, the side panels, as well as the heel. Somebody lives in Oregon, like just a little bit more rugged out here sometimes for myself when I'm walking around. So I think that the extra protection there is going to be kind of nice, which is kind of probably the shield part of this model. Now, the absolute best detail about these shoes, and the details that I noticed, they had like little microscope light on these on display in the booth. And I was like, holy crap, like look at these laces. The laces are so fire. I've never seen like plastic tubed lace like this. It's like a rope lace, but it's like a, it's like a Chinese finger trap almost for the entire laces. And then it looks like it's dipped in rubber for the tips. Functional as well. Like honestly, I didn't think you'd be able to tie it, but it actually ties and snugs up, which is kind of crazy. Maybe not the most snug of like all your laces if you're looking for like crazy serious lockdown. But the aesthetics and the visual of this lace, I don't know if they've done this before because I haven't had the other ASICS hidden collaborations, but this is insane. Like this is like, to me, I was like, okay, like that makes these extra special. So whoever threw in the lace component of this shoe, you knocked it out of the park. Definitely, it makes everything go hard. Like super dope concept with these. So that is primarily my favorite feature of the shoe, which is one that is like obviously that you can like take off and put on to a different shoe. But I think that it blends well with this shoe. That with the ASICS logo on the side, I really dig, along with the rubberized toe cap. The traction on the outsole is actually pretty nice as well, as you can see. And then I really like the grid shape pattern on the mesh as well. Just a nice little extra detail. Also, the clear plastic for the tongue, it extends all the way down the tongue, but then on top of the logo, again, a nice little subtle detail that ties in kind of the laces and then the logo on the side. The pull tab's also nice and functional for an older gentleman like myself. I like pull tabs on my sneakers, but I think that the execution of this colorway specifically looks great. And overall, like it was a comfortable shoe. Like I was walking through day 2 ComplexCon, much more comfortable than my Travis 1 lows. Like those things were killing my feet already. So these definitely helped save the day for day 2. Now, I also got this t-shirt that I'm wearing here, as you can see there. And actually, I didn't see this one available in the booth. I actually thought I ordered the black one and I got a white one, but I like the white one just as much. So the other t-shirt I got was this one, which looked really cool, like this prehistoric look. It almost looks like it is embroidered on here, but it's actually not. So pretty crazy. Like the overall design on that though. But what do you guys think about the Gel Venture 6s? I think they have a Gel Venture 9 actually now as well. So it's not even the latest model of this. It's kind of a throwback one, but I like that they use it. It's kind of fun. It's different. Anyway, that's a look at the shoe. Thanks to Tracy and Paul for helping me and getting the assist of these. Trademark as well, and nice to meet you and then the other fella over there at the ASICS booth. It really made it special to be able to get these because it was definitely not an easy pair to pick up. But anyways, thanks for stopping by and watching the video. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like. If you guys would like to pick up the base pair of these, maybe not this collab, but the base pair, I'll link it over to ASICS, and we'll leave it at that. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Have a good rest of the day. Hopefully see you back on the channel for some more content. All right, peace guys.